Hey, how's it going? Taylor Grassmick over here. Just want to send you a quick video going over how we're helping bring dentists high value dental leads without taking all the risk on your end. Okay, I'm going to show you how we've been helping our partners find people that are searching for their services on Google and turning them to in the door patients and hopefully lifetime members of your practice. Okay, so keep in mind this isn't for everyone. This is for serious dedicated dentists only who want to bring in new patients on a monthly basis. Okay, so in this video we're going to be uncovering how you can get dental patients same day and not have to worry about SEO taking forever. As a business owner myself, I wouldn't want to wait 6 to 10 months to see if something I invested in is going to kick in or not. Okay, I understand SEO is a very, very long process, so I'm going to show you how we've been shortening that timeline and can start bringing you new patients as soon as tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to show you how we go about targeting high-value patients like Invisalign, like TMJ, like dental implants, dentures, cosmetic dentistry, high-value procedures to help you create a higher return on your investment and get a bigger bang for your buck. Okay, how this channel is a perfect add-on or replacement to any existing AdWords or SEO strategies you may already have going. Okay, so this doesn't have to interfere with any of that stuff. This can be something that you add on and make it the icing on the cake in your internet marketing efforts. And lastly, I'm going to show you how we can do this all without you having to take any risk at all, which is really the coolest part and really why I designed this whole thing, is to help show you that you don't have to take huge risks to start stepping into the internet marketing world. We can make it easier on you as marketers. So cool. Let's hop over here to Google real quick. I just typed in dental implants Orlando for this example. But you see right here we have 4 ads at the top. Then we get down into this map pack down here, and then we get down to the organic rankings. Finally finish the page off with 3 more ads. So this is what somebody's going to see when they're looking for dental implants. Okay, and what I want to focus on today is these top positions right here and how you can start becoming the first thing people are seeing when they're looking for your services. Okay, these spots down here are great spots to be and amazing spots to be bringing in clients from the internet from. But the bad thing about them is they take a little bit of time. It's going to take 6 to 10 months, a lot of optimization, a lot of backlinking, a lot of having different sites point at you, all of this stuff to get in to these positions right here. And they're amazing places to be. But this spot right here differs because you can get here as soon as tomorrow. And if we go look at the numbers for how many people are looking for you in Florida, TMJ, 1,000 to 10,000 people. Dental implants, 1,000 to 10,000. Invisalign, over 10,000 to 100,000 people are searching for that every single month. Okay, orthodontists, all of these things. There's a lot of people searching for services that you provide on Google. And really our job here is to get ourselves in front of them. That way we can show them that you provide those services and do a quality job doing it. Okay, so you would think since this is an auction and an ad section, whoever's paying the most money is taking the top spot. But what Google does, being as customer centric as they are, is they don't only focus on how much you're willing to pay, but they also factor in this thing called the quality score, which is pretty much a fancy way of saying user experience. It's determined by a lot of different factors: your click-through rate, how well people are engaging with your ad, how many people are calling, how many people are following through to your landing page. All of these things are factors in this equation. And if we can really nail this equation down, it can make this whole business a lot more profitable and easy to do for us. Because you see in this example here, advertiser 1 spending $2 a click, advertiser 4 spending $8 a click, but because advertiser 1 took so much time to work on their quality score and advertiser 4 spent very little time optimizing for their quality score, advertiser 1 still took home the top spot even though they spent 1/4 the amount of money on it, which is really, really key, because if we can get these top positions for cheaper, we can stay up there longer, get in front of more people's eyes, and be bringing you more phone calls and people from the internet. There's tens of thousands of people looking every single month for your services. Let's get in front of them. Okay, so what plays into this quality score? Well, a lot of different things. The click-through rate down here, ad relevance, landing page quality, all big factors. But the most important, according to Google's chief economist, is the click-through rate. And that's somebody's willingness, how many people that are seeing your ad are clicking on your ad and following through to the landing page. If you can have a higher click-through rate, it's going to really improve your quality score and make your cost per click way, way lower. Okay, and like the industry average, like the average click-through rate's about 3%. Our good campaigns are getting up to 20 and 30% click-through rates. And when you get these high of numbers and people are engaging this often with your ads, it really improves your quality score and shows Google you are who you're talking about being on the internet. And this is something that people like engaging with. Okay. And the reason why we're getting such high numbers is because we're doing something different. This is what most advertisers are doing. They're grouping their keywords, okay? They have a couple groups down here, a couple ad groups, and they have all the keywords that they want to rank for underneath these ad groups. And what this leads to is more irrelevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks, and a lower quality score, in turn, raising that price per click, the cost per click. Okay, and this is not the right way to do it. What we've done and what we've implemented that's helped us get this really high click-through rate is this thing called the one-to-one method. And it's something most advertisers are just too lazy to do at the end of the day. They're just not willing to do it. Most of them don't have the incentive to do it too because they're charging on a monthly basis. They're saying, okay, you have a $5,000 AdWords budget. We're going to spend $4,000, keep $1,000 for ourselves, and we're going to do the best we can with that $4,000. Which is not what you want to have doing. You want people to be accountable for what they're doing and bring you the highest value for your money. That's really what you're looking for in internet marketing. Is who's going to bring you the most leads, the most in-the-door patients, the most revenue to your bottom line. And that's what we're willing to provide you over here. Because what we do different is we set up an individual ad and ad group for each search term, okay? People are looking for you in hundreds and thousands of different ways. There's all of these different ways. They might be typing in dentist. They might be typing in Orlando dentist. They might be typing in best TMJ doctor near me. All these different search terms that people are looking for you, we want to be ranking for all of them and getting these high click-through rates. So what we do is we optimize, and for each of these long tail keywords, we have ads that match exactly that. Okay, so if somebody comes in here and types in best dental implants Orlando, we're going to have, this guy has best dental implants, almost made it. We're going to have an ad that matches exactly all those because people like clicking on what they're typing in. If you have an ad that matches it, because obviously people are hesitant right off the get because it's an ad. But if you can match exactly what they're talking about and you relate with them on that level, they're going to be much more likely to click on your ad and raise that click-through rate for you and be getting you more engaged phone calls. Okay? And this is how we are going about bringing dentists new leads, bringing 30 to 50 new leads, calling you, filling out forms on your website on a monthly basis. Okay, you don't have to worry about all this fancy stuff. We take care of all this stuff. We're doing this pay-per lead model. We handle the ad copy. We handle the search term to ad relevance, the geographic relevance to ad, long tail usage and ad copy, hundreds and thousands of keywords per account, and setting up ad groups for each of them. Okay, we do the time of week and day of week bidding. We know what times are the best to be converting people into phone calls and to leads, okay? We set you up a beautiful landing page that is relevant to the keywords that we're trying to rank for. We increase the load speed of your website. We make the difference of performance across different devices all a congruent message, okay? We make it easy to crawl. We increase the load speed. We do all this stuff for you. You don't have to worry about it, okay? There's no risk really on your end at all because we're doing the pay per lead model, meaning you're not paying any money unless you're getting a phone call or a detailed lead form filled out on your website. Okay, we pay the initial cost of setting up the AdWords account and landing page, even bidding on the keywords. That just goes to show how confident we are in this process, is we're willing to front this money to set all these things up on our end because we know if we can start providing you consistent value and show you that this process works, that you're never going to want to stop working with us and continuing to grow and build and expand. Okay, so we don't believe in long-term contracts. We want to be held accountable month after month for keeping you happy and new patients coming in your door. Seen a lot of different dentists, lawyers get locked into these long SEO deals and they don't end up working out because the people really don't know what they're doing. So I want to take that pressure off of you and show you we can provide for you. And obviously, if we provide consistent value, we know you're not going to want to leave. Okay, and stop working with us. So really the only risk on your end is if your office doesn't follow up with these leads that we're sending you. If you have somebody that can book appointments and call patients back and really communicate well, then you're going to be set. Okay, so that's really the only risk on your end. Lastly, I want to go over why I work with dentists. Our values align. You guys are honest and trustworthy people, and customer service comes before making money. Before I worked with dentists, I was working with lawyers more, and they're just not the same type of people. They're not, they're trying to do anything they can to make money. They're willing to say what it takes. They're doing all these different things. But really, I want to work with people who want to provide honest value to people and make their lives better. You guys are doing it through restoring people's smiles, giving them more confidence walking into the world. I'm doing it through helping dentists who don't know how to do online marketing and generate leads for people searching for them on the internet and bringing them more business. That's what I go about doing to bring honest value into this world. Okay. So please feel free to contact us today. We're searching for a partner in Florida. We're trying to get down there into the warm weather. Okay, our team has worked with dentists and we know what works. You're only paying for the leads you actually are receiving. There's no long-term contracts. We're looking to build a long-term partnership and we're bringing in 30 to 50 new leads monthly for our dentists. You are not going to get an easier offer to get into the internet marketing world if you haven't already than this offer right here. I'm telling you, I'm taking all the pressure off of you and putting it on me to show you we can provide consistent, honest value. Okay, so the internet is only becoming more relevant. How long are you going to wait? How long are you going to wait to get your internet marketing up and rolling and start bringing in these tens of thousands of people that are searching for you on the internet? How long? Okay, so please feel free to reach me. It's taylor@taylormade.marketing. Email me back and I will get back to you and we can set up a discovery call to figure out how we can implement some of these solutions to help start bringing you in more patients from the internet. Okay, so thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, thanks again.